request of the Lawrence County Sheriff's Department, as of 10:30 p.m. Central Standard Time, 32 people have disappeared. It is unknown what happened to these individuals. At this time, please remain vigilant as the Lawrence County Sheriff's Department is doing everything they can to locate and find these people. That is all. We will now return to normal programming. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Lawrence County Sheriff's Department. As of 12 a.m. Central Standard Time, 14 of the 32 people have been found dead, with their bodies extremely mangled and seemingly torn to shreds. We do not know who or what is doing this, and search efforts are still underway for the rest of the missing people. At this time, please lock all doors and windows, as we do not want whatever or whoever this thing is to break into your home. That is all. We will now return to normal programming.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Lawrence County Sheriff's Department. All of the 32 bodies have been found, extremely mangled. It is now known that the creature doing these heinous actions is referred to as a Skinwalker. At this time, please lock all doors and windows and barricade them if you can. Turn off all lights, lay salt on all entrances to your home, and bring a crucifix and Bible. If this creature comes into your home, preach loudly and throw salt at it. This creature can shapeshift and mimic the voice of the people it has killed. If you hear a familiar voice, it is best not to go to it. If you hear knocking on your door, do not open it. If you hear cries of help outside, do not open your door or window or even look outside. The description of this creature in irregular form is 10 feet tall, extremely long limbs, glowing red eyes, and extremely malnourished looking. Do not make any noise, as it has superhuman hearing and other superhuman abilities. Programming is now